everyone, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and today I'd like to do a really easy tutorial just to get you started with crocheting. So I'm going to show you how to do the US Single Crochet. In the UK terms, this is called the Double Crochet. So whichever one you've heard of, you're probably right. So to start a sample of crochet, we always need to have something to start into. So I'm going to make a slip knot on my hook to start with. So I've made a loop and I'm just going to bring the end of the loop through the middle and turn that into a slip knot. Now, if you know how to do that, then that's great. Otherwise, keep watching. So then I'm going to do a row of chains. So I'm just going to do 10 or 12 chains to start to show you how to do it. So I'm holding my hook in my right hand and my yarn I've wrapped around my hand like that in my left hand. Obviously, if you're left-handed, you'll do it the other way around. And then I'm going to do some chains. So I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook and pull through, and that is my first chain. Wrap and pull through. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to do a single crochet, what you're going to do is you're going to insert your hook into this second chain from the hook. So this is the first chain that the loop on your hook doesn't count as a chain, so that's the first one there. It's a bit tight now, and this is the second one. So we put our hook into that loop. We wrap the yarn around our hook and pull it back through, and then we've got 2 loops on our hook. Then we yarn over and we pull through both of those loops, and that is a single crochet, or a UK double crochet. And then we go again, so we insert our hook into the next chain, wrap our yarn around and pull through. Then we wrap our yarn around again and pull through 2. So wrapping your yarn around, that's called yarn over in crochet terms. So insert your hook into your next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. And then we just carry on across, and this is a really basic stitch, but it's one that everybody needs to know. It's probably the first stitch you will ever learn in crochet, and you can make loads of stuff with it. You can make a scarf with it, you'll use it loads and loads, and it's really straightforward and nice and easy. So I'll show you one more time on my last stitch. So I insert my hook into the chain, wrap my yarn around my hook, pull through, yarn over and pull through both of those. And there we have a row of single crochet. So if you want to carry that on, you're going to do 1 single chain and then turn your work, and then you're going to work. So this time, because you're working into the top of the last single crochets, you're not working into the chain anymore. You go through both of those loops in the top. Can you see they look like a V? So you go through those, yarn over and pull through. Then you've got your 2 loops on the hook, you yarn over and you pull through 2. So it's exactly the same stitch, apart from this time we're going through those 2 little loops of the V, which was your previous row's single crochet. And there you have it. You can carry on forever now, make a really long scarf or a blanket, whatever you like. This can be used for so many things, and it's basically, this is the start of your crochet journey. This is the beginning. I hope you enjoy the ride. Check out my channel for more videos and keep on learning.